welcome. Today in front of me TCL TAB 10 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with the new one to show you how you can do that. And now just to add the widget, we should hold for a while our device screen and then just click here to widgets icon. After that, we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can see that the weather application has 5 widgets, the sound recorder only 2, for example the Opera app just only 1 widget. And for example, let's use the calendar. We can see here that we can add the calendar schedule or the months view here. Let's use the schedule. Just hold the widget and drag it, for example here. If you want to resize the widget, you can just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. We can also move the widgets between the screens. Just hold it and drag it, and we can create the new screens. That's also not a problem. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.